problem, and we will be discussing that problem considering these three particular algorithms. Okay, means on this particular three algorithm, how this will be working, and it will be giving you a result. Based on that, we will be going for the problem. Okay. Okay, so let us give me that question and discuss with that particular problem with you. Okay, so let me write into the chat box of this particular Google Meet, so that everyone can get that what is the question. Okay, then we will be going for that one. Okay, wait. Now consider this is your, I have written the thing. This number of page frame is equal to 4. That means 4 pages actually you can keep at a time, and these are the page sequence actually will be there one after another. You will be asking in your program, means in a demand on demand, this particular sequence will be used. Okay, that means the program might be asking this different location, different pages. Okay, and those pages you will be finding in the cache. Okay, and the cache size is a 4 page. You can understand from my explanation, number of page frames is basically equal to 4, and the page sequence is this. Now question is that how many page faults will be there, that you need to calculate. Okay, and use your FIFO method. Okay, FIFO, LRU, and optimal. Okay, to calculate using FIFO, LRU, and optimal. These 4 methods algorithms will be used to do this particular problem. Okay, uh, is this problem okay with you? Is there any question regarding this problem? Oritra, sorry, Oritra, is this problem okay? Oritra, are you there? Oritra, are you there? Please respond. If you are not there, then your attendance will not be given. Please respond. Oritra, she might not be there. Uh, Tomajit, Tomajit, am I audible?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার বলুন।
Oritra ক্লাসে মনে হয় নেই, ওকে রিমুভ করে দাও।
হুম।
পৌলমী মুখার্জি,
Yes, sir.
Follow me. Is this question clear?
Sir, I just joined. I don't know about the problem. Can you share again?
I have already shared. Means follow me. I have already shared. I'm just copying all those, and then I'm again sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no issue. I'm just copying and I'm again sharing the question. So get the question. I will come to you once again. Just read this question and try to understand what the question is. You have the number of page frame is 4 and page sequence is this, and you need to do this using the page replacement algorithm is basically FIFO, LRU, and optimal. How you'll be able to solve this particular problem? Now, how many number of page fault will be there? Calculate the number of page fault. Number of page fault. You need to calculate number of page fault. Number of page fault that you need to calculate. Okay. Some other student. Anjali, are you there? Anjali Shonezi, are you there? Someone please remove Oritra and Anjali, both. I'm just
Mhm,
seeing
sir.
still there in the
Sir,
classroom. Why are
hello,
you
sir.
there? I have called you many times. Why?
Sir,
Why you are not attending
my
in the class?
network was giving some problems.
These excuses are not actually good. Just tell me what is means. Are you okay with this question? Have you read that question?
Sir, can you please repeat?
No, I
I
cannot repeat
couldn't
it.
hear.
I couldn't repeat it. Yeah, that is actually written in the chat box. How many times I will be repeating this one? You are over here. I'm calling so many times, and you are telling that you are not. You have the network issue. So many times I've
Yes, sir.
called you.
It was cracking. It
Okay,
was.
okay, okay. You stop. Anjali Soneji, are you there? Someone please remove her. Please remove Anjali. Someone,
Yes, sir.
Rajnandini Gupta. Rajnandini, am I audible? Then if you are actually not actually responding, anybody is not responding, I do not find any point to for keeping this grooming class. I don't find any point of giving this grooming class. I report this one to HOD that this particular batch doesn't require any grooming class. Why? Because I am basically giving you question. I'm basically trying to discuss with you. Nobody is responding. Sachin Chatra, are you there? Sheta Sao,
Yes, sir. I'm there.
you're there. Are you getting the question? What is the question I have given?
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion regarding the question? You can ask me. Already I have taught now this particular topic. If you have any confusion, please ask me. Pratyusha Goswami.
Yes, sir.
Pratyusha,
Yes, sir.
is there any problem in the question?
No, sir, I'm checking it.
Okay. Azizur Rahman 1063. Azizur,
Yes, sir.
you got the question?
Yes, sir, I got the question, sir.
Now, what is page fault? Do you know what is page fault?
No, sir. Actually, I forgot, and I have to recall these things.
Though I have basically taught you previously the bins in your virtual memory, right? In my
Yes,
class.
sir. Yes, sir. You have taught us.
Okay. Virtual memory. In the virtual
Yes, sir.
memory, I have told you that the entire or means entire process will not be loaded in your primary memory, but it
Yes,
would
sir.
be loaded on demand, right? Means on a particular
Yes, sir.
page is required, that page will be loaded. and in that same way, means in a particular in small cache would help you to do this particular thing. So in the according to this requirement, the some of the pages will be there and the some of the pages will be not be there. Okay, so what exactly you'll
Yes,
be
sir.
doing? One, the demand, if you are actually triggering that particular page is not in that particular cache memory, so what it is doing, it is basically asking it from the from it might be in your hard disk also, so that particular page is taken from there. So it's a page fault in that particular page if you are actually asking a particular page and that page is not actually available. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is actually called the page fault. I'm basically asking
Yes,
you
sir.
that if you have the 4 page frame in your cache memory and you have this particular scenario, this sequence of the pages actually it is being asked, then how many number of page fault will be there in your system? Using these 4 algorithms, FIFO, LRU, and optimal. FIFO means first in, first out. LRU means least recently used, and your optimal. These 3 methods, 3 algorithms are available just for the page replacement. Now, how the page replacement algorithm will work and actually how many number of page fault will be there, that I need to do. Okay, is that clear, Aritra? Aritra,
Yes, sir.
it's clear, right? So you need to do this particular problem. Do this one. Okay, ঠিক আছে Azizur. Do this. Continue this one. Priyanshu Singh. Priyanshu Singh. Are you there, Priyanshu? Priyanshu Singh. প্রিয়াংশু সিং, প্রিয়াংশু সিংকে রিমুভ করো, প্রিয়াংশু সিং নেই। রাজনন্দিনী গুপ্তা, আর ইউ দেয়ার? নেই। তমজিৎ এদের দুজনকে রিমুভ করো তো, প্রিয়াংশু আর রাজনন্দিনী দুজনকেই, এরা নেই ক্লাসে। সৃজিতা আছো?
Yes,
সৃজিতা, আর ইউ
sir.
দেয়ার?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have
Okay,
answered the first one in the chat box.
I've
Sir, if
answered
you
the
could
first one.
correct.
Nice, nice, nice. I'm just checking it. Okay, FIFO 11 page fault. Would you calculate the means how actually you are getting, means have you done some worked out?
Yes,
Means
sir. Yes, sir, I have done
can
it.
you send me? Can you send me? Means can you show it in the in this in your means screen share? Anything
Sir, I
else is
have done
possible?
it in copy.
Oh, you
Like
need
I have
copy.
done just
Okay,
rough
so you
work.
can take the means photo of that and you can
Yes,
share the
sir.
screen so that I can check it whether it is correct or not. Okay. Orko, you have
Yes.
also done. Okay, you do. Srijita, take your time, no problem. Orko, you have done. You are telling the 12 page fault in by FIFO. Orko, also you also show the means your workout. Okay. And what about the others? Aditi, they. Aditi, are you there?
Sir, can I do
Aditi.
one thing? Can I send you the picture on WhatsApp because sir it's
Okay,
completely
you
in the rough
can, you
work.
can, you can, you can do.
Okay, sir.
You can do also that. Acha, no, Aditi, they. 1007. Are you there? Aditi Kumari, 1067. Are you there? Aditi De, Aditi Kumari. Remove these two students. Aditi De, Aditi Kumari. Remove. Tamajit, please remove. Aditi Kumari also. Rima, no, are you there? Are you doing the question? Okay,
Yes, sir,
okay,
I am.
okay, okay. Take your time.
But I am not solving this question. I have to revise this thing because I forgot all these things.
Forgot all those. So get this particular thing. These are very, very important for your campusing. Sudipta Roy. Acho,
Yes, sir.
are you doing this
Yes, sir.
problem? Okay,
Trying, sir.
you're trying. Okay, okay. Sukollan Chakraborty. Sukollan Chakraborty, are you there? Sukollan Chakraborty, Sachin Satra, both of you are there in the classroom? I think no such response from these two guys. Tomojit, please remove Sachin and Sukollan. Sachin and Sukollan, please remove these two guys. একটু রিমুভ করে দাও। Sukollan also. Remove Sukollan. Yeah. ওকে, যারা ওয়ার্কআউটটা করে দেখাতে পারবে আমাকে একটু দেখাও। ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ এনি কোয়েশ্চেন ইউ আস্ক মি, আই উড ডিসকাস এগেন ওয়ান্স এগেন।
স্যার কোথায় পাঠাবো ওয়ার্কআউটটা?
ওয়ার্কআউটটা দেখাতে পারো ওখানেতে বা
Sir,
এখানেতে
I have
আমাকে
sent it to
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে।
you.
হ্যাঁ আমি পেয়েছি, আমি তোমারটা পেয়েছি। নাইস, you have the 1371 one like this, so 7 up to 137. Yeah, page fault, and one is over there, one is over there already. One was there na?
Yes, sir. Sir, one
One
was
was there,
already there, so I have skipped
so
one.
one again one came. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
there is no page fault, so
Yes,
at
sir. That's why
4
zero.
there is a page fault. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and which one you are removing? You are removing when 4, oh okay, one was there, so 4 you are not removing, so 4 up to 4 there is a 4 page faults. Then you have this 3 is already over there. Okay, 3 is already over there. Then 7 is already over there, so no page fault. So okay, 5 is coming. The 5 is basically replacing whom? 5 is replacing 1. It's FIFO method na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. How many page fault? 11, but they are telling 12. How this is differing so much?
স্যার it is coming 12.
It is coming 12.
Yes.
Okay, that might be you have counted wrongly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Maybe then I have skipped one.
Okay, okay, okay. ঠিক আছে, nice. So we have basically done with this particular type of problem. Acha, I'll be asking the other to show. Means, what about Ashutosh Sharma? Ashutosh, have you
Yes,
done
sir,
it?
I'm doing.
You're doing.
The FIFO one I've done it, and the LIFO I'm doing right now.
Acha, other students those who have done the FIFO, they also try the LRU and optimal. Let us check how actually it's basically doing well. Okay. Jai Bahadev, Jai Bahadev, 1017. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So why are you late? Your class was at what time? I couldn't find you in the classroom from 9:20.
Sir, I had to go to the bank, sir.
But this class is from 9:20. You are joining just 10 minutes before the end of the class. Then how it would be?
Yes, sir, I know,
I'm
sir.
basically
Sorry.
considering today, but you should not do in the other day, right?
Okay, sir. I'll be careful next time, sir.
Okay, okay. Try to do the problem. What is the problem is given, and take it from the your. If you are actually unable to see it from here, please ask from your friends. They will give you the question. Nilanjan Das, Nilanjan করেছো?
হ্যালো স্যার।
নিরঞ্জন করেছো প্রবলেমটা? Have you done the problem?
না স্যার, ওটা করছি আমি এখনো।
আচ্ছা, করো। শিবেন্দু, have you done this?
স্যার আপনাকে না আমি মানে ইনবক্স মানে মেল করে দেবো, রাফ ওয়ার্কটা বুঝতেও পারবে না ঠিক মতো দেখে।
হ্যাঁ পাঠাও, নাহলে ছবি তুলে তুমি আমাকে, আচ্ছা তুমি ওটাকে পাঠাতে পারো, ছবি তুলে একটুখানি আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দিলে এখনই দেখে নেবো মেল থেকে।
হ্যাঁ
তাহলে
স্যার, একটু পরিষ্কার করে লিখতে হবে, তারপর পাঠাচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে,
ঠিক হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে ঠিক আছে অর্ক, কারেক্ট, ওকে। 11 page fault, Ashutosh, you are telling 11 page fault, but many of you are telling 12. I think you calculate properly. Orko, you have calculated correctly, not 12 page fault. Devosmita, you are telling also 12 page fault. Counted properly, right? Optimal. ওকে, একবার চেক করে দেখো, অপটিমালেতে 11টা আসছে। হ্যাঁ, অপটিমালে একটু কম হবে, কারেক্ট। হ্যাঁ দেখলে, ফিফোতে বলছে যে 11টাই আছে, তাহলে যারা 12টা করেছো একটু চেক করো, 12 বলেছিলে তারা একটু চেক করো, প্লিজ চেক দিস ওয়ান। আচ্ছা তমজিৎ,
স্যার আমার ফিফো 11 আসছে আর অপটিমালও 11 আসছে।
হয়তো এরকম পেজ মানে সিকোয়েন্সটা এমন আসছে, তার জন্য ফিফো অপটিমাল দুটোতেই একই আসছে, কারণ তোমার ওই সিকোয়েন্সগুলোর মধ্যে আমি এটা তো র্যান্ডামলি দিয়েছি, আই গিভেন দ্য ইন র্যান্ডম মোড, সো it might be some particular thing that's in both of the cases. If you are actually looking in the left side, or it's in a FIFO method, মানে optimal হলে কি হয়, we are actually looking in the forward, right? LRU in the looking in the
Yes, sir.
backward, right?
Yes, sir.
And your if FIFO method, you are just looking into that whoever came first, you are removing that one. So if it is a sequence, it's in somehow it might be the same. Okay, it might differ also. In some cases, the if you are increasing the page size, okay, means your frame size, number of frames is basically 4. Now if you are increasing it to 5, or you are increasing, means you are changing the page. So if you are increasing the page frame size, frame number of frames, then it might be page fault is more. That is called the Belladis anomaly, right?
Sir, yes, sir. Can you tell me like what is the difference like between optimal and this LRU? Like when we
Now,
are
now,
doing
now,
it,
now
like
listen,
when we
listen,
are
listen. In optimal, what you are doing? In optimal, you are basically expecting that which one actually would be which particular page you have actually in your cache, right? That particular page, out of that particular page, you need to select any one. Okay, as because
yes,
there
sir.
is a page fault, okay, so you need to select
Yes,
one, so you need to swap out that particular page. Now you are actually thinking that I will be swapping out that particular page which will be coming most late. Okay, so
yes,
most
sir.
late mean that in the sequence in the right side, the most right side, which one,
Yes, sir.
that I will be replacing from my current list. Okay, but in LRU, the concept is basically that which one has been used least recently, means most earlier you have used. The concept behind the LRU is that I'm basically expecting that which has been used recently, that might be used in this current time more. So the least recently means very earlier it has been used, so it might not be
Yes,
required anymore, so that I am basically replacing. So this is the concept of
yes,
LRU. And
yes, sir.
optimal is you are actually the vision in the forward. One is the forward vision and another is a backward vision you have. So this is the difference between LRU and optimal. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay. Anybody having any other question? Okay, Ria Boshak,
ইয়েস স্যার।
রিয়া করেছো প্রবলেমটা?
স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি ট্রাই করেছি, ওটা আমার পড়া হয়নি তো এখনো।
তাহলে এটা পড়তে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ঠিক আছে, আমি ট্রাই
যেগুলো
করছি।
যেগুলো আমি ক্লাসে করাচ্ছি একটুখানি খেয়াল রাখবে, যে যেগুলো পড়োনি তোমরা সেগুলো কিন্তু খুব ইমিডিয়েটলি পড়ে ফেলো, মানে যে প্রবলেমসগুলো দিচ্ছি তার মানে ওগুলো থেকে কোয়েশ্চেন আসবে, তার মানে ওগুলোকে একটুখানি থিওরিটা পড়ে নিলে এই প্রবলেমগুলো করতে পারবে। ওকে,
স্যার বলছিলাম যে এই এলআরইউটা একবার একটু রিপিট করে দিলে ভালো হতো।
এলআরইউটাতে হচ্ছে যে ধরো, মানে লেটস সে ফর এক্সাম্পল in your list, let's say for example you have the four pages in your cache, right? 4 pages, and that is 1, 4, 7 and 5. Okay, now out of this, just look at the string, means sequence of page sequence টা একটু খেয়াল করো। Currently you will be replacing this 1, 4, 7 and 5. You will be replacing any one of these. Okay, let's say for example 6 you need to take it over there. Okay, 6 নম্বর পেজটাকে নিয়ে আসতে হবে, তাহলে 1 4 7 আর 5 এর মধ্যে যে কোনো একজনকে যেতে হবে। নাও which one actually will go? LRU, if you are actually using LRU, just looking from the 6 to left side, okay, left side of the string, মানে 6টা যেখানে আছে তার থেকে বাঁদিকে দেখো, okay, left side এ দেখো, just look at this, which one out of this 1 4 and 7 and 5, which one came earliest, which one came earliest? Let's say for example 1 came at the very first, okay, so I'll be replacing 1. Or let's say for example 4 came at the earliest, so I'll be replacing 4. Am I clear here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read that particular thing once again. If you have any question, any further discussion required, I'm open for all of you. Anytime you can ask me the question that I have this particular problem, please tell me, said that one. Okay, I'll tell you, no problem.
Sir, I have tried the LRU one also. If you could check if the answer is correct or not.
Okay, yeah, have you sent me in the WhatsApp
No, sir, I have sent the answer in the chat box.
chat box? Okay, chat box.
Sir,
LRU
roughly I
is,
have done. You won't understand anything if I send
okay,
the picture.
9 page fault, it might be. Acha, Orco, you are telling always one less, means I don't know, then LRU is 9 page fault, she is telling, Srijita is telling 9, you are telling 8. Please check
Sir,
it.
he sent for optimal.
No, optimal 8 page fault, LRU 9. Okay, but Srijita, you have told in optimal 11 page fault.
Yes,
Please
sir.
check your, please check it.
Okay, sir.
Acha, Orko, are you considering the first 4 pages when actually not, it is actually over there, so the 4 page fault is obvious? Orko, are you considering that one, or you are not considering? You need to consider, right? Consider it. Okay. So
Sir,
I think
the
you,
optimal one I am sending you in WhatsApp, the working, if you could check once.
yeah, send it. And so what should I say? I think you have the another class from 10 o'clock, so I need to finish this class right over here. So we'll be joining. Acha, before that, Sujita, you have sent, you have really sent that one. So let me check it one. This one, okay. 1 3 1 3 1 3 7 1 3 7 4. 5 is replacing 4. Why 5 is replacing 4? Because in the sequence, I think because in the sequence 1 3 7 1 4 3 7 so 5 you are basically trying to put over there, so 6 1. আমাকে একটুখানি বলবে সৃজিতা, যে
Yes,
আমার
sir.
যখন 5টাকে যখন আমি রিপ্লেস করতে যাচ্ছি অপটিমালেতে, 5 আই এম গোইং টু রিপ্লেস, দেন
Yes, sir.
তখন আমার 4টে পেজেতে কি কি রয়েছে, 4টে পেজ কি কি রয়েছে?
স্যার যখন 137 আছে না, তো 137 এর পর হচ্ছে আবার 1, তো 1 দুবার আসছে, তো
না
1টা
ওটা
তো
নিয়ে,
ইউজ হচ্ছে।
না
হ্যাঁ,
ওটা
তারপর
তো
4
পেজ
আসছে,
ফল্ট
তো 4
নয়,
বসে যাচ্ছে।
ওটা তো
হ্যাঁ,
পেজ
4
ফল্টই নয়,
আসছে।
তাহলে
হুম,
137টা পেজ ফল্ট হয়েছে, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ, তো
4
তারপর
যখন
4টা
এলো
বসে
তখনও পেজ
যাচ্ছে।
ফল্ট হলো, 4 যখন এলো পেজ ফল্ট হলো, মানে 4খানা পেজ ফল্ট তোমার
4,
ইনিশিয়ালি হলো, তারপর
হ্যাঁ
3
স্যার,
পেলে, 3 অলরেডি আছে, নো পেজ ফল্ট,
3
7
ইউজ
পেলে,
আছে।
7 অলরেডি
আবার
আছে, নো পেজ
তো
ফল্ট,
5,
5 যখন
হ্যাঁ,
ফেলে,
তখন
5 যখন
4টা
পেলে,
সবথেকে থেকে লিস্ট রিসেন্টলি ইউজড
আচ্ছা তুমি
4টা।
কি অপটিমাল ইউজ করছো না রেলার ইউজ করছো?
লিস্ট রিসেন্টলি ইউজড তো এলআরইউ।
হ্যাঁ এলআরইউ, তুমি যদি এলআরইউ ইউজ
LRU
করো,
হ্যাঁ
এলআরইউ ইউজ করো,
এলআরইউ
তাহলে 5 যখন 5 হচ্ছে তোমার 5 তাকেই রিপ্লেস করবে। লিস্ট রিসেন্টলি ইউজড এর মধ্যে কিন্তু তোমার 3 আসছে, দেখো 1টা পরে এসছে, 3টা কিন্তু তোমার একদম প্রথমে এসছে, মানে আমার কাছে তো 1374 আছে।
5 আসার আগে একবার 3 এসছে তো।
3 এস, ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা 3টা
3
এসেছিল না, আচ্ছা
এসছে,
আচ্ছা
3 ও এসছে, 1 ও এসছে, 7 ও এসছে, তো 4 একবারই
So one replace হবে, so one replace
1
হবে।
রিপ্লেস হবে তো, 4 তো তার আগে এসছে, 4 তো তার পরে এলো, 1 এর পরে দেখো, তুমি
আচ্ছা
স্ক্যান
আচ্ছা
করবে লেফট সাইডেতে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
ওকে,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বুঝেছি, হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝেছি এবার।
আর যদি এটাকে অপটিমাল করতে, ইফ আই এম বেসিক্যালি গোইং ফর অপটিমাল, 5 এর পরে ডান দিকে দেখো 6 আছে, 2 আছে, 1 আছে, 4 আছে, 3 আছে,
হুম হুম
7 তো আর কখনোই নেই,
না
তাহলে
না
7 কে রিপ্লেস করব।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, মানে যেটা আর
Get my
একবারও
point?
আসবে না, রিপিটেড মানে আর একবারও
হ্যাঁ,
রিপিটেশন হবে না, সেটা
না যেটা
চেঞ্জ হয়ে
একবারও
যাবে।
আসবে না, ধরো যেটা সবথেকে পরে এসছে,
আচ্ছা সব
মোস্ট
থেকে
ডিলেড,
লাস্টে যেটা এসছে।
ইয়েস মোস্ট ডিলেড,
আচ্ছা
দ্যাট উড বি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
ক্লিয়ার
স্যার, তাহলে
হয়েছে?
এটা ভুল হয়েছে, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ
স্যার ক্লাস আছে একটা।
ঠিক, হ্যাঁ 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 আমি ক্লাস ছেড়ে দিলাম, ঠিক আছে ওকে। নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমরা আবার ফের জয়েন করবো বৃহস্পতিবার দিন। বৃহস্পতিবার দিন তোমাদের অফলাইন ক্লাস রয়েছে, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, কম্পিউটার নেটওয়ার্কস।
কম্পিউটার নেটওয়ার্কস, ঠিক আছে, অফলাইন ক্লাস নেব। ওকে ওকে, চলো রাখলাম।
হ্যাঁ।
Yo, Tabajit.